Thanks for staying with us here on the debate. You've heard Arnab say this multiple times, that the truth has a way of coming out. In fact, we say it and we believe in it. We live by it and we will die by it. But tonight, as representatives of Republic Media Network, we are here as Arnab's voice. And we come to you armed with facts. And today, as more and more details emerge, as more and more observations are made, as more and more judgments come out, the fake cases are also falling like a pack of cards. There are legal developments. We'll tell you all about that.
Hansa Research has made a stunning disclosure in court. The CBI has a physical copy of the witness coercion tapes, and now there are more shocking details of a pre-planned operation to arrest Arnab, and these details are out in the public domain. The people of this country are watching. The courts have taken note, and very soon the conspirators will be made accountable in the courts of public opinion. Take a look. At 4:30 p.m., Op India's Ajit Bharti walked out of the CBI office in Delhi after handing over the witness coercion tapes in the alleged TRP manipulation scam.
How Mumbai police has been, hounding Republic TV, and personally, if you want to say that Arnab was hounded. So it has been a, you can say, personal vendetta against Arnab that has been going on for like 6 months. Because if you had Republic's name in the FIR, you could have taken the name, but it doesn't exist in the FIR. The name of India Today existed. You didn't take that.
One after the other, facts are bludgeoning fake cases filed against Republic Media Network. These tapes that are now in the possession of the central agency have revealed how witnesses were coerced into naming your channel.
अगर उन्हें मार और पड़ी हो कहीं तो कबूला है कि यार भारत वाले का है ही। वो कैसे कहते हैं उन्होंने ना पेपर पर लिख गए हैं यार भारत का। हाँ और फिर पुलिस वाले दरवाजे आज ही डिपार्टमेंट आ रहे हैं दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट आ वही।
So malicious has been the state-sponsored vendetta against Arnab that even the complainant in the case, which is Hansa Research, has informed the court that they've been forced to name Republic. They've named the cop who was part of the execution squad of Operation Arnab.
Hansa has said that they face threat by encounter cop Sachin Vaze to implicate Republic TV. Vaze wanted Hansa to say Republic aired a fake report. And I was called, and some of our colleagues were called to be questioned on this Hansa report, saying, where did you get the report from? Hansa has filed a writ petition saying they were under pressure from the crime branch to call the report fake.
They tried besmirching Republic Media Network's reputation with lies, propaganda and plants. Arnab showed them documents, presented before the world the company's book of accounts.
This is the book of accounts. This is the book of accounts. It says Hansa Vision Limited, phone number, state, country. Please see this. And it says here net value. We've done the calculation. And 31,61,054 rupees. 31,61,054 rupees. This is the money we got. This money we got. This is advertising money. Please see here.
We've cooperated with investigators. Our editors have complied with summons. We followed the legal process at every step. In hours from now, the High Court will once again resume hearing Arnab's plea challenging the illegal arrest. He will spend another night in judicial custody. But the message is clear. Any attempt to stifle democracy won't be tolerated.
प्रेस की स्वतंत्रता को किसी भी पार्टी या सरकार ने बाधित नहीं करना चाहिए, मगर कांग्रेस का इमरजेंसी के समय से एक कल्चर रहा है, एक संस्कृति रही है। हम इसके विरुद्ध है और मेरी पार्टी ने भी इस पर कड़ी प्रतिक्रिया जाहिर की है कि ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए।
In the fight against fake cases, it's the truth versus a state machinery's malicious vendetta. Let's debate.